Today we're out here doing a campus cleanup event of UMB's campus. It is a joint effort between the Staff Senate, the USGA, which is UMB's student government body, the Office of Sustainability, and Environmental Services, which is a department within Facilities and Operations. So UMB is an anchor institution in downtown Baltimore, and I think we have a lot of visitors to our many schools that pass through our campus. You know, even people just walking from West Baltimore to East Baltimore neighborhoods have to pass through our campus. And so if we can make a good impression, show that we have a clean and green campus, it can, spread further and impact the city of Baltimore at a larger scale. The weight has not been a lot today just because a lot of the trash that we see these days is more lightweight. But I think the volume also speaks volumes to the amount of trash that's kind of hiding in plain sight that we often overlook.
Well, I wasn't bothered when I heard when I got my bag that they were weighing everything. Yeah. So, I mean, if you feel how heavy this is, that's why I drank, but I had a nice helper.
I think what is surprising to people is trash that is hiding in places that they wouldn't normally see as they're just walking from place to place on campus. So things like cigarette butts in our planter beds, things like cans and styrofoam and plastic bags, those are the things you're more accustomed to seeing.
Y'all got my president, I'll just take my trash.
That's what I should do.
No, that's not what you should do.
That's what I do all day.
With sustainability events in general, we try to just ensure that people leave with a knowledge and understanding of what impact they have, whether negative or positive at the moment, and what impact positive they can have in the future.